Hey, what's up, high levelers? In this video, we're going to talk about form gating. Now, this is one of the most underrated features of GoHighLevel. So firstly, I want to show you a quick preview of how it works, and then we will dive into the configuration and see how you can set it up. All right, so I have this video on the landing page on GoHighLevel, and as soon as I hit on play, and let me just mute this here. So you can see this lock icon here. So 5 seconds into the video, you will see that a form will pop up here and it says to keep watching, fill out the form below. Now, this is a great example. Let's say you are giving out something really incredibly valuable to your audience and you want to get their contact details, right? So you give them some part of the video. It's up to you, how many seconds into the video you want this form to appear. So you can set that up, and then once they fill out the details, only then they will be able to watch the video. So this basically allows you to capture leads while people are watching your content. And now if I enter my information here and say claim my course, of course this will be creating a submission on the form, but then you'll see that it has allowed me to watch the entire video now. So this is what form gating is. Now that we have seen it in action, let's set it up. All right, so now in the funnel builder of GoHighLevel, let's click on add element here and then select the video element. Now scroll to the right side and select hosted video. Now, please note that this feature will only work on the hosted videos and not the other ones. So if you do not have a video hosted, that's completely okay. All you have to do is click on select video here, and then you can upload your files easily. I already have my video uploaded, so I'm going to select that here. Then you can also choose a thumbnail. So if you click on select thumbnail here, I'm just going to attach an image here so that the video looks nice. Then if we scroll down a little bit more, I'm just going to disable autoplay because I do not want that on. There are some more features that you can utilize here. You can show the progress bar and all of that. And this is where you enable form gating. So it says generate leads from video. That is what you have to turn on. And then it will ask you at what time duration do you want the form to show up. So I'm going to choose, let's say if your video is for 5 minutes, you can choose 2 minutes and 30 seconds, right? And then you can select the form. So if you do not have a form, you can build that in the form builder and then select that, right? And the last option it shows is allow user to close the form. So if you want that, people can still close out and watch the entire video, you can do that. But the whole objective of form gating is that you want them to enter the details so that they can continue watching your content, which is of great value, right? So we're just gonna leave it as is right now and click on save. Now I'm just gonna click on preview, and then let's see how this works. So let's do preview here, and we have the video here. Let's click on play. Now you can see that at the 2 minute 30 seconds mark, there's this lock icon. So if I proceed here and I start playing it from this point on, so as it will move to the 2 minutes 30 seconds mark, the form will show up, and then it will only allow me to proceed if I enter the details. So this is basically what form gating is. It's a really good feature. If you post really good content and you want to capture leads through that, you can enable this feature inside GoHighLevel and get some really good results for you or your clients.